What is up, everyone? My name is Ubaid. Welcome to NFT Crypto, your home of all things NFT and NFT related within the cryptoverse. If that is something that you like or something that you'd like to get to know more about, make sure to smash that subscribe button, join the community, and let's get right into it. So, what are NFTs? NFTs is basically a store of data within the blockchain that allows authenticity to be applied to pictures, videos, and audio, basically digital art in a sense. And what this does is this allows people to own the very first or authentic piece of art. And sure, you can copy it, but it wouldn't be the real one. Now, I know to a lot of people that sounds funny or silly or stupid, but it's exactly the same thing as owning the Mona Lisa. I mean, it's one of the best paintings you could get, or highest valued, or let's say a Van Gogh. It's the same thing, but we could all get a printed out copy of it. It looked no different. Or you could get someone to do a mock painting of it if they're really, really good, but it still wouldn't be the original, would it? Same thing for NFTs. Well, with NFTs, it was just very, very different because of how advanced technology is. So for example, you look at Jack Dorsey's tweet that sold for $2 million. You had a digital painting that sold for $69 million. And then you had a piece of land, digital land on Decentraland, which is a virtual reality, that sold for just shy of $1 million. That's crazy, but it's real. And it's here. And it's only going to get bigger. So I hope that gives you a better understanding of what NFTs are. Again, if you're interested in this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I've got a lot of stuff coming up. We're going to be doing different coins. I got Ecomi coming up. We're busy with Chili's at the moment. Engine coin, Veracity. I've got a lot of things in the works. So please subscribe to the channel, join the community, and I will see you guys next time.